Guys, welcome to MoBileMaThS with Gumtry. Today we want to look at vectors form. Okay, so I've got some questions. I've got two questions here. So the first one is saying find the vector q. We want to find vector q such that 1, 3 minus q is equal to 9 minus 3. Okay, so that's the one that we want to do. Then the second one is the hence part, find the magnitude of q. Okay, so first of all, let's do a. Okay, so for a, we have got our 1, 3 minus q is equal to 9 minus 3. Okay, so what we do with such a vector question, we try to make our q the subject of formula. So for my q, I'm going to take it to the right, then the vector on the right to the left. Okay, so I can now have 1, 3 minus 9 minus 3 is equal to q. Okay, the negative has changed to a plus. When I have this, it means I've got 1 minus 9 and 3 minus 3 is equal to our q. Okay, now 1 minus 9, what do I get? I get minus 8. Then 3 minus 3, I'll get a plus. I'll get a plus 6 there. Okay, so our q is this. So you can rewrite it in the form starting with your q and have it as q. This is the correct way of writing q is equal to, we say therefore q is equals to minus 8, 6. Okay, so we have answered the first part. Then the second part, which was the hence part, it was saying find the magnitude of q. Okay, so to find the magnitude of q is equal to the square root of minus 8 squared plus 6 squared. Okay, so minus 8 squared, what do we get? So minus 8, we get 8 squared, we get 64, plus 6 squared, we get 36. Okay, then if we add these two, what do we get? We'll get 100 there. So we have 100. Square root of 100 is 10. So our magnitude of q is 10 units. Okay, don't forget to write the units. Okay, so this is the answer that we have. Now let's go to the next question. Okay, this is the next question that I have. This is saying that if p and q are the points, and we are given that our p is this and our q is that, respectively, find p, q. So we want to find this pq, and then we want to find the magnitude there. Okay, so to simplify this, I've drawn a graph there where I've shown my p and my q. So my p is in blue and my q is in red. So with this, when we want to find pq, it means we are moving from point p to point q there, like that. Okay, so it's like this. So if I want to find p, the graph method, what I can do is I can simply calculate the number of movements that I've gone to on the x-axis. PQ using graph is equal to how many units have I moved on the x-axis. I've moved, remember my scale is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. So I've moved 2, 4, 6, 8. Okay, I've moved 8 on the axis. Then on the y, it's also 2, 2, 2. So I've got 2, 4, and I've moved 6 there. Okay, so it means I've got 8 and I've got a 6. That's how you move it, 8 and a 6 units there. Okay, that's the movement that we have done. So this is how you get your PQ using the graph method. Okay, otherwise, if we want to use the vector method, we can now do it like this. The vector method, we have our PQ. So now those points that were given, we write them in the form of a vector. Okay, and we have our O in relation to Q. Okay, since we want to find PQ, we say Q minus P. Okay, so it's going to be Q minus OP. OP is now showing that it's a vector. A vector is a point from a point, a line which is drawn from a point to another point. That's why I'm now introducing the OQ and OP. So whenever it's PQ, for you to get the vector there, you simply say Q minus P. Okay, so my Q is 11, 13. My P is, OP is 3, 7. Okay, like that. If I multiply, I subtract 11 minus 3, I'll get 8. 13 minus 5 minus 7, I'll get 6. Okay, so this is my PQ there through the calculation method. Now I want to find the modulus of this. So to find the modulus of this, I've got PQ is that, we said it's square root of 8 squared plus 6 squared. Okay, so at the end of the day, I will have square root of 64 plus 36. Okay, then this is the same as the previous question, 100, and our PQ is equal to 10. Okay, so that's, don't forget units. So that's how you calculate your PQ. Okay, otherwise, bye bye.